Okay, welcome back, 5-minute traders. Here's an idea, and I don't talk about the FANG stocks too much, but usually when I do, I tend to hit them pretty well. Remember Amazon? Now we're going to talk a little bit today about Facebook. Facebook sold off recently from a high of 175, pulled back to 165, and now has rallied back to 174, and that was a recent high. And this is an hourly chart here, and you can see point of control is down here at 150 here for the last. I'm going to pull back, give you June, July, August, and September, and so it's right around 150, and we're trading at 175. Listen, if the market's going to go is not going to pull back, this trade will be wrong. But I still think that the market is due for a 5 to an 8% correction. So if I'm accurate on that, then this is ripe for the pickings to short. A couple ways you can play it: buy outright puts, and I would buy in the money, maybe purchase some 190s, something like that, 190s down to 175s, or I would also take a look at just shorting the stock outright or selling calls. If you're aggressive and you know how to play the game a little bit, I would not recommend that. If you don't know how to play the game, I would not recommend that. So average volume on this has been about 13 million shares a day. Very liquid, very easy to move in and out of. They obviously, everybody knows Facebook PE ratio is high, but they're growing and videos taking off, yada yada. Doesn't matter. None of that matters to me. I use Facebook only to sign in pretty much to things anymore. I've pretty much eliminated it. It's just got so much just whining and crying on it. Over the last couple of years, I stopped completely. And so that being said, that's my personal opinion only, but I'm looking at this chart, value area, we're way out of value. The value begins at 167, so even if we were to take $5 out of this, we'd make money, but I think this, I'd probably sell some here, and then when it breaks 165, I would add to it, pyramid the position on, and watch it fall down to 155 to 150. That would be my stretch on this. And then on the risk side, again, how tight do you want it to be? I would say a Friday closing over 180 means I'm wrong. So a Friday close, end of week, over 180. We're trading 173 right now, let's call it, and you can sell from 173 to 180 on the stock. And any closes over 180 on a Friday, on the weekend close, push out of the stock. That's your risk. Hope you are having a great time. If you have any questions and want to look at anything, send me an email, Matt at OneMinuteTrader.TV, and hope you have a great day out there.